Investing your hard-earned money in the stock market can be a challenging task as it requires a thorough understanding of the market and careful consideration of various factors. To make informed investment decisions, you may need to analyze various sources of information including financial reports, market trends, and company performance. And this can be a time-consuming process and may require a significant amount of research. Let's see how our evaluation tool offers you everything in one place. You can access the evaluation tool from various places, like you can click on the research tools and select the evaluation option, or you can directly click on the evaluation button here. If you are on an idea list, you can click on a stock and go to the evaluation page. Here, I am directly searching a stock. As you enter the evaluation page, you can see these shortcuts to different sections of the tool. Too many? Don't worry. We are going to discuss everything one by one. Coming down, you can see the quantitative ratings and ranking such as master score, EPS strength, price strength, buyer demand, group rank, etc. We shall discuss these ratings in another video. But at this point, just know that these ratings give us a quick view of how the stock is performing as compared to other stocks in the market. You can also see a quick algorithmically generated analysis on the stock at top. On the right hand side, we can also see how the stock is performing if we look at it using the Guru Screens criteria. Next, you can see the stock's price volume chart in different periodicities such as daily, weekly, monthly, and intraday, etc. If you click here on the left hand side, you can see a quick snapshot of what the company does, its industry group, market capitalization, and various other important information such as quarterly and annual earnings. Coming down, you can see the summary of annual and quarterly earnings along with other important metrics. Then, you can see the current management team, shareholding pattern, and major shareholders in the stock. Further down, you have all the financial ratios in one place, both for annual and quarterly. Do not forget to toggle between the consolidated and standalone tab to get a better picture of the fundamentals. Further down, you have reported financial statements of the company. Those are income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. In the related section, you can see all the other stocks in the same industry group. This place is useful as you can see the ratings of other stocks in the same industry group in one place. You can quickly decide which stock is performing better than the others. Under the Estimates tab, you can see the consensus estimates on EPS, sales, and price. Please note, not all the stocks are covered by the brokers or research analysts. So, there are stocks where you can find this place blank. The checklist section gives you a quick glance of the metrics that we are using for the Guru Screens. It also shows you where the stock is meeting or missing the criteria. You can also add your own custom filters by clicking here. Our surveillance section helps you identify the obvious red flags with the stock. The obvious concerns such as ASM or GSM list, high debt, or high promoter pledging, etc. are highlighted here. Further down, the news section keeps you updated with the news related to the stock. The delivery section gives you a quick glance of the delivery percentage as compared to the total traded shares. Finally, if there is any bulk or block deal on the stock, you can see it under the deals section